So another thing that happened, Regis students, with Codebook 7 is I have a new learning structure that we'll use for the rest of the semester to provide more consistency. And so it's going to start off with this summary overview, which I know that you've seen, but any of the 3 to 5 subtopics I give you, it'll start off with a summary overview, which will be a description, and then it'll end in a synthesis. So it'll be some kind of visual table or learning tree, and then providing a takeaway and or keywords of the concepts that you're supposed to be understanding and or a code example. And so that way there you're able to quickly query the information and help back check things. Then there'll be the detailed learning lesson. And so the purpose of the detailed learning lesson is it will take the topics from the overview and then it will drill them down in 3 to 5 subsections. And it will provide also a visual learning tree. So in this case, I used an A/B approach to look at a user device versus Wi-Fi. So it could be code set 1 or code set 2. But it'll continue to have these sections, and that way there I'm able to map you from the sections in the lab where to go to what section to help with your lab. So I just wanted you to understand how that is supposed to work. So we'll come down, we'll go through all of the sections. It might have a visual tree in it, and then it'll go on to the next learning section. So it'll then culminate with going to the lab, which will then back map you on which one you'll go to help figure out or solve the challenge that's provided to you. Okay, thank you.